Hi, everybody. Welcome back. Let's get started. You know, this morning I woke up a bit later than usual. I turned off my alarm clock because I wasn't too interested in buying turnips uh, for New Horizons, so I'm not going to worry about it. But yeah, I woke up and turned on my little fan so I can keep a little cool while I do these videos. And uh, Anyway, hello there, everyone. Right now on Plantoon, it's 12:13 p.m. on Sunday, July 27th, 2025. KK is putting on a very special concert in the plaza today. Usually, he only comes out here on Saturday, so you definitely won't want to miss it. And with that, I'll get back to work, supporting you and your enjoyment of our island. Um, I turned on my little fan, but it wasn't working. I thought, I just bought this thing. How could it break now? So I took the fan out and I went and grabbed another one that I had been using just a little bit ago, and it wasn't working. And then I remembered that I've been using this power strip to lengthen the cords and stuff to so the fan would reach me. And sure enough, uh, I had unplugged it the night before. That's why it wasn't working. My dreamy Sarah, I had a dream that me and you climbed a mountain in the dark. At the top was a couch. We sat and ate snacks and watched the sun come up. It was real chill and fun. Let's find a sunrise, Hopkins. That's kind of sweet. I can't wait for him to move out. uh, No, 55,108 points, rank S. Wow, your home tops the 20,000 point mark. Cool. How are you, Sarah? I got worried all of a sudden about whether you are sleeping well. When it comes to looking our best, sleep is terribly important. So, I'm sending you a room's friendly deep sleep prezi. Sweet dreams, Anka. Alright. A terry cloth nightcap. Alright. So, like I mentioned, I believe in the last video, we're not going to worry too much about anything else on the island because until the fruit trees all grow and bear fruit, there's not a whole lot we can do. I told my brother, demanded it, that he send me some fruit, and he didn't do it, so he's fired from being my brother. You know, one holiday I enjoyed um, in Animal Crossing was Thanksgiving. I loved how that little turkey just hid, even though he was like the guest of honor. Which, yeah, if I were a turkey with I'd be a little nervous myself, but you had to go in and steal plates, I think silverware, and bring it back to him while you hid somewhere else. I also kind of felt bad for him because, he missed out because of a misunderstanding. Yeah, last night I decided that I was going to wake up when I woke up and not worry about, turnips and stuff. And, oh, hold on. I remembered. Yeah, I need to upload more videos today. So, I was waiting to see if my brother sent something through the mail. And since he didn't, I can go ahead and get started uploading videos. I'm going to upload 5 shorts, so those will be ready for tomorrow. And then I'm going to upload a bunch of regular videos. If I can. We'll see how many I can get done today. If I get 2 or 3, I'll be happy. But, yeah, I also need to go out and get some trash bags. So, yeah, after I finish this video, I'll go and get those. And then I'll start with the GameCube, Animal Crossing. Yeah, I'm not too worried about catching that little pig girl or anything. What are you pointing at? Oh, stretches. Nice to see you, Sarah. You're looking perf as always. What's the latest? To be totes honest, this is the time of day when I get the sleepiest. Oh. Well, if it isn't Sarah, let's talk. The island breeze is quite lovely today, don't you think? It feels as if it might carry my cares away with it. Okay. Alright. Well, there is... Oh, there we go. Yeah, last night I also found my copy of Mario Kart 8. To be honest with you, I haven't really been looking for it. Hey, what's the good word? Well, it's raining. It's not good for my hair, but it's great for taking moody selfies. Good point. Cats don't have hair. They have fur. Gorgeous fur. Well, I feel like I've woken myself up a bit today. I was watching Miss Vampire Who Lives in My Neighborhood last night. What am I doing? one thing that I thought about uh, a while ago while watching the show is that there might be a darker side to the show than I originally thought there would. And that dark side actually comes from the website that Sophia um, gets her blood from. Sophia, she still drinks blood, but she doesn't actually go out and get it herself. She just orders it from a website that's sort of like a parody of Amazon. And the package comes in, and yeah, she drinks blood that way. Now, every once in a while, you'll see the website that they order from. And if you pause the DVD, you can actually read the description of the blood. And what they talk about is how they closely monitor diets and where the blood comes from and stuff like that. And I always